Cool. Alright, shows you how to put the hearing aids in the right way around. Some instructions. Okay, so it's the same charger for the OPN S. Alright, cool. Of course, UK plug. Nice little pouch that goes in. Cool. Okay, get that to one side, put the box away. Come back to that in a bit. Let's open the hearing aids. So, nice little box. Oh, sticky bits falling off. Oh well. Instruction manual, the new one. Okay, so what we got in here? We have a nice new box. Okay. Cloth. Does it say Oticon on it? No, it's just a generic cloth. More waste. Nice pouch. So we've got your hearing aids. So Oticon More 1 mini RITV. Cool. And then we've got our receivers. Mini fit receivers. We've got some domes. Cool. So these are rechargeable, so I'll have to seal the batteries. It's really straightforward. Got little markers as well. Red for right, blue for left. So, nice and simple. Just close it. Should be a way to go. So, we've got green light as well. Means it's on already. So, cool. Let's put the left for left. Open that up. These should just click in. Just make sure they're securely in. Cool. Let's put that there. Get the box out of the way. Get rid of the waste. Always recycle. You got a retention wire. I'll keep that because the patient might want that. Okay, and I've got the right one. Same again, but we'll do it for the opposite side. So red for right. not the way to open them, but there's no sticker on this one at least. Oh, there's a same with this one. Clicks thing. Get a close up. Check it's tight, that's good. Then we've got our recharger. Let's put them in the right way like the instruction shows initially, so just slots in like that. Let's plug this recharger in. Do I have a cable long enough? Let's find out. It's long enough. So you got your charging lights. Cool. I might go and do a video of all the features of these hearing aids, but I hope my patient loves them. Bye.